Biomolecules. Biochemistry, pursuit of knowledge of what goes on chemically within a living system, is biochemistry. Living system is made up of carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, and lipids. Carbohydrates, they are produced by plants from a very large group of naturally occurring organic compounds. These organic compounds like cane sugar, glucose, starch. General formula for carbohydrates is CxH2OY. They were considered hydrides of carbon. For example, glucose, that is C6H12O6 or C6H2O6. All compounds that fit into formula may not be considered as carbohydrates. For example, acetic acid fits into this formula, but it is not considered as carbohydrate. Then ramenose is carbohydrate, but this does not fit into this formula. Carbohydrates, they are optically active. Optically active means substances that can rotate plane of polarized, right? That is in single plane and it passes through it. So optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones or the compounds which produce such units on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means water breaks a chemical bond. Carbohydrates are sweet in taste. For example, sugars. So sugars, one type is which are used in home, that is sucrose, and another type which is present in milk, that is lactose, and they are also called saccharides. Classification of carbohydrates, they are classified on basis of their behavior on hydrolysis. So when they break a chemical bond, water breaks a chemical bond, how they behave that time, according to that carbohydrates are classified. They are classified into monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. So, monosaccharides, carbohydrates that cannot be hydrolyzed further to give simpler unit of polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone. For example, glucose, fructose, ribose, etc. And oligosaccharides, carbohydrates that yield 2 to 10 monosaccharide units on hydrolysis. For example, disaccharides, trisaccharides, tetrasaccharides. This depends on number of monosaccharides they produce on hydrolysis. For example, sugar, maltose. And at last, polysaccharides. In this, carbohydrates which yield large number of monosaccharide units on hydrolysis. For example, starch, cellulose, glycogen, gums, and they are not sweet in taste, hence are called non-sugars. Now, first monosaccharides, they are further classified on basis of atoms and functional groups that are present. So there are types aldose and ketose. So number of carbon atoms. If there are 3 carbon atoms, it forms triose. 4 then tetrose, 5 pentose, 6 hexose, and 7 is heptose. So glucose, they occur freely in nature and in combined form. They are present in sweet fruit, honey, and ripe grapes. Preparation of glucose is from 2 types, from sugars and from starch. From sugars is from cane sugar. Sucrose is boiled with dilute HCl or H2SO4 in alcoholic solution, which gives glucose, and fructose is obtained. And this is the chemical reaction that takes place. From starch, it is a commercial method. Hydrolysis of starch is done by boiling with dilute H2SO4 at 393 Kelvin under pressure. This is the chemical reaction that takes place. Structure of glucose. It is aldohexose, also known as dextrose. It is monomer of larger carbohydrates. Larger carbohydrates means starch or cellulose. Molecular formula is C6H12O6. On heating with HI, it forms N-hexane. This is a reaction. It is heated with HI and you get N-hexane. It reacts with hydroxylamine to form an oxime. When adds molecule of hydrogen cyanide to give cyanohydrine, this reaction confirms presence of carbonyl group in glucose. And this is the reaction. Glucose gets oxidized to 6-carbon carboxylic acid, that is gluconic acid, on reaction with mild oxidizing agent like bromine water, and this indicates carbonyl group in aldehyde group. This is the reaction. Acetylation means process of adding an acetyl group. Acetylation of glucose with acetic anhydride gives glucose pentaacetate, which confirms the presence of 5 OH groups. Since it exists as a stable compound, 5 OH groups should be attached to different carbon atoms. This is the reaction of acetylation. On oxidation with nitric acid, glucose as well as gluconic acid yields dicarboxylic acid and saccharide acid. This indicates the presence of primary alcoholic group in glucose. This is the reaction. Cyclic structure of glucose. This is alpha D-glucose and this is beta D-glucose. Glucose does not react with hydroxylamine. This indicates the absence of free carbohydrate group. Glucose exists in two different crystalline forms. One is alpha and another is beta. Alpha is obtained by crystallization from concentrated solution of glucose at 303 Kelvin and melting point is 419 Kelvin. Whereas beta form, it is obtained by crystallization from hot and saturated aqueous solution at 371 Kelvin and melting point of this is 423 Kelvin. Anomeric carbon, two cyclic hemiacetal forms of glucose differ only in the configuration of hydroxyl group at chlorine called anomeric carbon, aldehyde carbon before cyclization. Anomeric carbon is aldehyde carbon that we get before cyclization, and cyclization is a process of forming cyclic compounds. Anomers are isomers of alpha and beta form. Pyranose structure, 6-membered cyclic structure of glucose. Pyrene is cyclic organic compound with one oxygen atom. This is pyrene, this is alpha D-glucopyrene and this is beta D-glucopyranose. Fructose, it is ketohexose obtained along with glucose by hydrolysis of disaccharide sucrose. It is a natural monosaccharide found in fruits, honey, vegetable and used as sweetener in pure form. This is the structure of fructose. This is furan. This is D-fructose. This is alpha D-fructofurone. And this is beta D-fructofuranose. Cyclic structure of two anomers of fructose. Alpha D-fructofuranose. And this is beta D-fructofuranose. Then disaccharides. They are formed from hydrolysis with dilute acid or enzyme. Glycosidic linkage, two monosaccharides in disaccharides are joined together by oxide linkage formed by loss of water molecule. Such linkage through oxygen atom is called glycosidic linkage. There are two types, non-reducing sugars and reducing sugars. Non-reducing is when aldehyde or ketonic group are bonded and reducing is when aldehyde or ketones are free. Example of non-reducing is sucrose and example of reducing is maltose or lactose. Sucrose on hydrolysis give equimolar mixtures of beta D-glucose and D-fructose. This is the reaction for sucrose. It is non-reducing sugar. Since the reducing group of glucose and fructose are involved in glycosidic bond formation, invert sugar, hydrolysis of sucrose bring about a change in the sign of rotation from dextro to levo and product is invert sugar. Maltose, it is linked to chlorine of glucose to C4 of another glucose. It is reducing sugar. This is the formula, chemical formula. Lactose, it is known as milk sugar as it is found in milk. It is composed of beta D-galactose and beta D-glucose. Linkage between C1 of galactose and C4 of glucose. It is reducing sugar. And this is the formula. Polysaccharides, they are mainly found in food storage or structural material. Large number of monosaccharides are joined to form polysaccharides. Starch. Main storage polysaccharide of plants is starch. Most important dietary source for humans. It is found in cereals, roots, tubers, and some vegetables. There are two components of starch, amylose and amylopectin. Amylos are water soluble and they are 15 to 20% of starch. It is long unbranched chain. There is 200 to 100 alpha D glucose units and carbon 1 to carbon 4 glycosidic linkage is found. It Amylopectin is insoluble in water, 80 to 85% of starch. It is branch chain polymer, alpha D glucose unit, and C1 C4 glycosidic linkage chain. And branching occurs at C1 C6 glycosidic linkage. This is the amylose, and this is amylopectin formula structure. Then cellulose. This is the cellulose structure. So cellulose occurs in plants. It is predominant constituent of cell wall of plant cell. It is straight chain polysaccharide and composed of beta D glucose units. It is joined by glycosidic linkage between C1 of one glucose unit and C4 of the next glucose unit. Glycogen. It is stored in animal body. It is also known as animal starch. Structure is similar to amylopectin. It is highly branched and present in liver, brain, muscles, and it is also found in yeast and fungi. Importance of carbohydrate. It is used as storage molecule in plants as starch and in animals as glycogen. Cell wall of plant and bacteria is made up of cellulose that helps to build furniture, clothes in form of cloth fiber. It provides raw material for important industries like textile, paper, lacquers, and breweries. Then comes protein, which is chief source for milk, from cheese, pulses, peanuts, fish, meat. So these are the products from where we can chiefly get protein. It is required for growth and maintenance. Amino acids. So it contains NH2 amino, carboxyl, and functional group. Classification. It is based on relative position of amino group with respect to carboxyl group. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha amino acid is RCH, COOH, and NH2. Glycine is named so because it has sweet taste, as glycos in Greek means sweet. Tyrosine was obtained from cheese, as tyros means cheese in Greek. Now, natural amino acids. These are some of the amino acids and their side chain with symbol 3-letter and 1-letter code. Classification of amino acid. So it is divided into acidic, basic, and neutral. This depends on amino or carboxyl group in their molecule. Acidic means more carboxyl group, basic means more amino acids, and neutral means equal amino and carboxyl group. Now, amino acids are divided into essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential cannot be synthesized in our body and must be obtained from diet, whereas non-essential is synthesized in our body. Amino acids are crystalline solids, colorless, water soluble, high melting solids, and they behave like salts rather than simple amines or carboxylic acids because of presence of acidic and basic group in same molecule. Zwitter ion. In aqueous solution, the carboxyl group can lose a proton and an amino group can accept a proton, giving rise to dipolar ion, and this is known as Zwitter ion. It is neutral but contains both positive and negative charge. In Zwitter ionic form, amino acids show amphoteric behavior as they react both with acids and bases. Except glycine, all other naturally occurring alpha amino acids are optically active since the alpha carbon atom is asymmetric and they exist in D and L form. Most naturally occurring amino acids have L configuration. L amino acids are represented by writing NH2 group on left hand side. This is the Zwitter ion. Structure of protein. Proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids. They are connected to each other by peptide bond or peptide linkage. amide formed between COOH group and NH2 group. Reaction between two molecules of similar or different amino acids proceeds through the combination of amino group of one molecule with the carboxyl group of the other. This results in elimination of water molecule and formation of peptide bond CONH. The product of the reaction is called dipeptide because it is made up of two amino acids. Example of this is carboxyl group of glycine combines with the amino group of alanine and we get dipeptide glycyl alanine. This is the glycyl alanine. Tripeptide, when a third amino acid combines to a dipeptide, it contains three amino acids linked by two peptide linkages. 4, 5, 6 amino acids are linked. 4 is tetrapeptide, 5 is pentapeptide and 6 is hexapeptide. Polypeptide, when number of amino acid is more than 10, then the product is called polypeptide. Protein, polypeptide with more than 100 amino acid residues having molecular mass higher than 10,000 U. Classification of protein, it is based on molecular shape. It is classified as fibrous protein and globular protein. So when polypeptide chains run parallel are held together by hydrogen and disulfide bonds, then fiber-like structure is formed and that is called as fibrous protein. Globular protein structure results when the chain of polypeptide coil around to give a spherical shape and these are soluble in water whereas fibrous proteins are insoluble in water. Example of fibrous protein is keratin, myosin and globular protein is insulin, albumin. Structure of globular protein, it is divided into four structures: primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Primary structure, protein may have one or more polypeptide chain. Each polypeptide in a protein has amino acid linked with each other in a specific sequence of amino acid that is said to be primary structure of protein. Any change in primary structure creates different protein. Secondary structure, it is shape in which long polypeptide chains can exist. So it can be alpha helix or beta pleated sheet structures. It arises due to regular folding of the backbone of the polypeptide chain due to hydrogen bonding between CNH and NH group of the peptide bond. Tertiary structure, this represents overall folding of the polypeptide chain and the shapes can be fibrous or globular. Main forces which stabilizes the secondary and tertiary structure of proteins are hydrogen bonds, disulfide linkage, van der Waals and electrostatic force of attraction. Last is quaternary structure. Spatial arrangement of subunits formed from two or more polypeptide chain is known as quaternary structure. Denaturation of protein. Native protein, proteins found in a biological system with unique 3D structure and biological activity are called native protein. When the protein is in native form is subjected to physical changes, that is temperature, or it can be subjected to chemical changes, that is change in pH, hydrogen bonds are disrupted. Due to this, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled and proteins loses its biological activity. This is called denaturation of protein. So during denaturation, secondary and tertiary structures are destroyed, primary structure remains intact. Example, coagulation of egg white on boiling, curdling of milk due to formation of lactic acid by bacteria present in milk. Enzymes, example of chemical reaction in living organism, digestion of food, absorption of appropriate molecule, production of energy. These are all the chemical reactions that take place in our body. Now, enzymes are biocatalyst. Biocatalyst means natural substances that speeds up the rate of biochemical reactions. So, enzymes are biocatalysts required for chemical reactions. So, these are the chemical reactions that take place in our body, and for this to occur, we need enzymes. Almost all the enzymes are globular protein. They are named after compounds. This is the example. Sometimes they are named after reactions. Ending of the name of enzyme is ASE. Example, the enzyme which catalyzes the oxidation of one substrate with simultaneous reduction of another substrate are named as oxidoreductase. So ASE at the end. Mechanism of enzyme action. Enzyme reduces magnitude of activation energy. So size of activation energy is reduced. Vitamins, organic compounds required in the diet in small quantities to perform specific biological function for normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of the organism. Vitamins are divided into fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins that are soluble in fats and oils, and they are insoluble in water, like vitamin A, D, E, and K. They are stored in liver and adipose, that is fat storing tissue. Whereas water soluble vitamins, they are soluble in water. They should be supplied regularly in our diet because they, being water soluble, are readily excreted to urine and cannot be stored except for vitamin B12. So in this there is B group vitamin and vitamin C. These are some important vitamins and their sources and deficiency diseases that they cause. So vitamin A, we can find them in fish, liver oil, carrot, butter, milk. And deficiency can lead to xerophthalmia, that is hardening of cornea of eye, and night blindness. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, we can find that in yeast, milk, green vegetable and cereals, and deficiency can lead to beriberi, that is loss of appetite and retarded growth. Vitamin B2 is riboflavin, which we find in milk, egg white, liver, kidney, and this leads to deficiency, leads to cirrhosis, that is fissuring at corners of mouth and lips, digestive disorders, burning sensation of the skin. Vitamin B6 is pyridoxine, found in yeast, milk, egg yolk, cereal, grams, and it leads to convulsions. Vitamin B12 found in meat, fish, egg, and curd, which leads to pernicious anemia, RBC deficient in hemoglobin. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, found in citrus fruit, amla, green leafy vegetable, and deficiency can lead to scurvy, that is bleeding gums. Vitamin D is source is exposure to sunlight, fish and egg yolk, and if there is deficiency, it leads to rickets, that is bone deformities in children, osteomalacia, that is soft bones and joint pain in adults. Vitamin E, found in vegetable oil, wheat germ oil and sunflower oil, and so deficiency can lead to increased fragility of RBCs and muscular weakness. Vitamin K can be found in green leafy vegetable, and deficiency can lead to increased blood clotting. Nucleic acid is divided into deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. This is DNA, this is RNA. Chemical composition of nucleic acid. Complete hydrolysis of DNA or RNA yields pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, but RNA also gives acid and nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound. So DNA will be this and RNA will give you ribose. This gives you deoxyribose. So this is the structure. Bases of DNA, there is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, and these are the structures of each one. Bases of RNA, there are 4 bases. So first 3 are same as per DNA, and fourth is uracil. Then this is the structure of uracil. So instead of thymine, there will be uracil. Structure of nucleic acid. Nucleoside, a unit formed by the attachment of a base to one position of sugar. Sugar carbon are numbered as 1, 2, 3, etc. Nucleotide, there is dash above, nucleotide, when nucleoside is linked to phosphoric acid at fifth position of sugar moiety. So this is nucleoside linked at fifth position, and nucleotide structure is this. This is double strand helix structure for DNA. Then types of RNA molecule, there are three types: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. Messenger RNA is known as mRNA, ribosomal is known as rRNA, and transfer RNA is known as tRNA. Biological function of nucleic acid. DNA, chemical basis of heredity, reserve of genetic information, maintains identity of different species of organism. It is capable of self-duplication during cell division. Identical DNA strands are transferred to daughter cells. Protein synthesis in cell in RNA, and message for protein synthesis is in DNA. Hormones, they act as intercellular messenger. They are produced by endocrine glands, poured into blood and transferred to site. Chemical nature, some are steroid, some are polypeptides, and some are amino acids. Steroids, example, estrogen, androgen. Polypeptide, insulin, endorphins. Amino acid, epinephrine, norepinephrine. Functions of hormone, they help to maintain balance of biological activities. Insulin helps to maintain glucose level in blood. When blood glucose rises, insulin is released. Glucagon increases glucose level in blood. Both hormones regulate glucose level. Epinephrine and norepinephrine, they mediate response to external stimuli. Growth hormone and sex hormone plays role in growth and development. Thyroxine produced in the thyroid gland is an iodinated derivative of amino acid tyrosine. Low level of thyroxine leads to hypothyroidism, which is characterized by letharginess and obesity, and increased level of thyroxine causes hyperthyroidism. So due to low level of iodine in blood, it leads to enlargement of thyroid gland controlled by adding sodium iodide to salt. Steroid hormones are produced by adrenal cortex and gonads. Adrenal cortex releases glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. So glucocorticoids control carbohydrate metabolism, modulate inflammatory reaction, and involved in reaction to stress. Mineralocorticoid controls level of excretion of water and salt by kidney. And gonads are two types, that is testes in males and ovaries in females. Abnormal function of adrenal cortex, there is Addison's disease, which is characterized by hypoglycemia, weakness, increased susceptibility to stress. Gonads, there is testosterone in males, which leads to deep voice and facial hair. Estradiol in females, that leads to development of secondary female characteristics and also controls menstrual cycles. Progesterone prepares uterus for implantation of fertilized egg.